Baka may update yan ng Pag-asa Coach eh, kaya...
We shot really poorly from the 2-point area. We couldn't get any rhythm going, so medyo kanya-kanyang araw siguro yan. Hindi namin araw today, araw ng NLEX. So we just have to take this in stride. We're at 4-2, is still a good record. I mean 5-2. 5-2. Importante yung mga susunod naming mga laro. Playing actually the latter part of our schedule are really against the tougher teams, or the more favored teams. So we have a tough schedule ahead of us, and we know that. And yun nga, we've been saddled by injuries, but we'll just have to figure it out. So, kasama naman talaga lahat yan sa kabuuan ng ng season. We hope we can have Kailan play our next game. Also Stanley. And then you're looking at filling up the slot of Keith Datu by next week. So we're still looking at our options. Wala pa naman talagang final decision on how we will fill it up. But as long as we can bring back Kailan and Stanley, I think we'll be in better shape by next week.
Si Keith Datu mag-isa surgery ba, Coach?
Yeah, meron na siyang schedule ng surgery next week. But he'll be out for the rest of the season.
Is there just a trade or free agency signing?
Is
there just a trade or free agency signing?
Free agency.
That's an option, pero the other option is to sign yung first round draft pick. So we're still, total ang next game namin is Saturday. So we will figure that out early this week, Monday or Tuesday, para maihanda namin din yun for the Saturday game in CDO.
Si Manaytay ba nagpa-practice sa inyo?
Nagpa-practice na. Nagpa-practice na rin si Manaytay.
Sa CDO, kailan kayo travel?
Friday travel namin, Saturday yung game, then Sunday. The usual schedule.
Coach, kasi papasok after next week, papasok tayo ng mahaba-habang break because of the FIBA window. You think kahit paano makakatulong yung stretch na
yun?
Yes,
yun yung namin. No? Yun yung sinasabi ko rin, time to reset. No? I'm sure by that time, that's also going to be useful for the recovery of Kailan and Stanley. Actually, kung gusto kong skip na rin nila yung next game namin just to be ready for that. But it will be up to them. If they feel good on Saturday, we will play them. If they don't feel good, it's okay for us to wait until they're 100%.
Nagpa-practice sila?
Meron na silang mga routine na nakakapag-shooting na, pero wala pang contact.
Pareha sila?
Yes.
Okay, Coach, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Coach.